How to enable dark mode on Cash App. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how you can easily enable dark mode on Cash App. So usually when you get Cash App and open it up, you would get a green background, which is the light mode for the app. And for dark mode, it would be completely black on the background. So let's see how you can do it. Cash App does not have its own dark mode feature in the app, so you are going to have to use your device settings. So there is no way to just force dark mode on Cash App only. What you can do is go over to settings. Once your settings opens up, find display settings and tap on it. From your display settings, all you have to do here is find the option for dark mode. So go over to display and you can go to dark mode settings. Make sure you turn on your dark mode. So here you can turn on your schedule if you want, but I'll just go ahead and select dark mode here from the top. And now your Cash App will also be dark mode. So just tap on Cash App and it will load on the dark mode. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.